Welcome to Review Lab. The best pet gear ramp is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for pet owners, especially those with older, injured, or smaller dogs who struggle to get into vehicles or onto furniture. These ramps offer a safe and comfortable way for your furry friends to access higher places, reducing the risk of joint strain and injury that can come from jumping. Investing in a quality ramp not only supports your pet's mobility and independence but also provides you with peace of mind, knowing they can navigate their environment without discomfort or pain, making everyday life much easier for both of you. Number 5. Wooden Couch and Chair Dog Ramp. Introducing our premium wooden ramp, specifically designed for easy access to your couch and chairs. It provides the perfect angle for your furry friend to climb comfortably. Crafted from durable birchwood, this ramp offers a stable and wobble-free experience. It's built to last, providing reliable support for your pet's daily adventures. With 7 adjustable height settings, you can easily customize the ramp to perfectly match your furniture. This ensures a comfortable and accessible climb for dogs of all sizes. The high-traction rubber surface offers superior grip, giving your dog the confidence to walk up and down without slipping. It's a safer alternative to carpeted surfaces. No assembly required. This foldable ramp comes fully assembled and includes a training guide. It conveniently folds flat for easy storage when not in use. This sturdy ramp is designed to support up to 200 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of small to medium-sized dogs. It's a reliable solution for pets with mobility challenges. What we like. This ramp is designed for couch and chair use, offering 7 adjustable heights to perfectly match your furniture. Its non-slip rubber surface ensures your pet can climb with confidence. If you have a smaller dog or a pet that struggles with jumping onto lower furniture like couches or chairs, this is an excellent choice for providing them with safe and easy access. What people say. It is a great ramp for my 100-pound German Shepherd. It is sturdy and doesn't move when he walks on it. This ramp is a lifesaver for my dog who has hip issues. It makes it so much easier for him to get in and out of the car. The ramp is very well made and feels secure. My dog was a little hesitant at first, but he got used to it quickly. Number 4. PRIORPET Birchwood Adjustable Dog Ramp. Introducing our furniture-grade hardwood dog ramp, crafted from solid birchwood. It's not just durable, but also a beautiful addition to your home decor. Easily adjust its height across 7 levels, from 12 to 37 inches, to create a gentle slope for your pet. When not in use, it folds compactly for convenient storage. The anti-slip rubber surface provides superior traction, ensuring a safe climb for your furry friend. This makes it ideal for even the highest beds. Engineered with safety in mind, it features a gentle incline, safety rails, and an anchor rope for stability. It comfortably supports dogs up to 120 pounds. This ramp comes fully assembled and ready for use. Its dimensions are designed to fit seamlessly beside your tall bed, providing a practical aid for your pet. What we like. This ramp is specifically engineered for high beds, reaching up to 37 inches, and features safety rails for guided access. Made from furniture-grade birchwood, it offers both durability and aesthetic appeal. If you have a tall bed and are looking for a sturdy, safe, and stylish solution to help your pet reach it, this ramp is ideal. What people say. The ramp is lightweight and easy to carry. It is very sturdy and holds my 70-pound dog without any issues. The surface provides good traction, preventing slips. Number 3. Woohoo Dog Ramp, Innovative Non-Slip Rubber Mat. Tired of your furry friends struggling to reach their favorite spots? Our innovative ramp features a unique, high-traction rubber surface with added ridges for exceptional grip. This ensures a safe and secure climb every time. Crafted from solid, sustainable wood, this ramp is built to last. It's designed to protect your pet's joints, allowing them to access higher places with significantly less stress. With 6 adjustable height settings, ranging from 14 to 24 inches, you can create the perfect incline for your pet. It's ideal for SUVs, beds, couches, and any elevated surface. Need to move it or take it on the go? This ramp conveniently folds flat and includes a handle and side lock for easy storage and transport. Forget the hassle of assembly. This ramp arrives fully assembled, so your pet can start enjoying easier access right out of the box. Whether you have a young pup or a senior dog, this ramp provides a safe and comfortable way for them to navigate different heights, promoting independence and reducing strain. What we like. This ramp boasts a unique, high-traction rubber surface with added ridges for superior grip, making it stand out from carpeted options. It offers 6 adjustable height settings and folds flat for easy storage and transport. If you prioritize maximum grip and a versatile ramp that can be used for both beds and couches, this is a great option. What people say. The ramp is sturdy and well-made, providing a secure way for my dog to get into the car. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it convenient for travel. The non-slip surface ensures my dog has good traction, even when wet. Number 2. Panther Armor Foldable Aluminum Dog Ramp. Let your beloved pets move with ease. Our anti-corrosive aluminum ramp helps them get in and out of cars and steps by themselves, eliminating stress. Designed with a high-traction surface, it prevents slipping for both small and large dogs. This ramp reliably supports pets up to 250 pounds. It folds compactly to fit in any trunk and stays securely locked during travel. An integrated handle makes it easy to carry wherever you go. Constructed from durable, weather-resistant aluminum, this ramp is built to last. It will be your dog's trusted companion in any weather condition. At Panther Armor, we are dedicated to providing innovative solutions. We aim to help pet owners live a stress-free life with their furry friends. What we like. Constructed from durable, weather-resistant aluminum, this ramp is built to last and supports up to 250 pounds, making it suitable for both small and large dogs. It's foldable, portable, and features a high-traction emery surface to prevent slipping. If you frequently travel with your pet or need a robust, all-weather solution for car access, this aluminum ramp is a fantastic choice. What people say. The ramp is sturdy and well-made, providing a safe and stable surface for my dog to walk on. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it convenient for travel or moving between locations. The non-slip surface ensures good traction, even on wet surfaces, preventing my dog from slipping. Number 1. Woohoo Extra Wide Dog Ramp. This ramp is designed to be extra wide, making it perfect for larger dogs or those who are a bit nervous. It provides a safe and easy way for your furry friend to reach their favorite spots, whether it's the bed, couch, or even the car. Say goodbye to slippery surfaces. Our ramp features a unique high-traction rubber material with added ridges for superior grip. This ensures your pet can climb safely and confidently every time. We've included a specially designed, wider sloping area at the top. This allows your pet to safely pivot and land on their favorite perch with ease and confidence. With 6 adjustable height settings, ranging from 13 to 24 inches, you can create the perfect incline for any situation. It's ideal for cars, SUVs, beds, and couches of various heights. This ramp comes fully assembled, so you can use it right out of the box. It also folds flat with a convenient handle and lock for easy storage and transport. Built to last, this sturdy ramp can support up to 250 pounds. It's a reliable solution for dogs of all sizes, ensuring their comfort and safety. What we like. This ramp is notably wider than others on the market, providing extra comfort and security, especially for larger, older, or nervous dogs. It features a unique rubbery surface with ridges for excellent grip and a special gently sloping landing area at the top. If you have a large breed dog, an elderly pet, or a dog that is hesitant about using ramps, the extra width and thoughtful design make this ramp a top contender. What people say. The ramp is very sturdy and well-made, providing a secure way for my dog to get in and out of the car. It's lightweight and easy to carry, which is a huge plus for me. I can set it up and take it down in seconds. The non-slip surface is excellent. My dog feels confident walking on it, even when it's wet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.